This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device so decryption proceeds without interruptions. First, plug into power and confirm battery is above 50%. Sudden shutdown corrupts storage. Next, copy the SD contents to a computer or cloud because removing encryption often requires formatting. You must preserve files. Finally, make sure you have the device PIN, lock screen password, and any linked OEM account logins at hand. These credentials are required to access decryption options and to prevent account lockouts during the process. You now perform the core actions to remove encryption. If the system supports portable storage, go to Settings, right arrow Storage, select the SD card and choose Format as Portable. That removes adoptable encryption. If the card is encrypted to the device, use Security right arrow encryption options or the OEM decryption utility while unlocked. This instructs the OS to rewrite headers so the card becomes readable. If neither works, copy your backup off. Reformat the card as FAT32 or XFAT on a PC, then restore files. This guarantees no residual encryption remains. You finish by restoring files and confirming the SD operates normally. Once done, copy your backup back to the freshly formatted card and test read/write on the original device and at least one other phone or card reader to ensure compatibility. Make sure to avoid re-enabling adoptable encryption unless needed. If the card remains unreadable, try a full low-level format on a PC or reformat using the device again. If that fails, test with another adapter or consider the card may be corrupted and needs replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.